Hi guys, this is Tom from Tom and Harry SMMA. In this video, I am going to be telling you the hottest 3 niches of 2023. If you're not exploring them now, you really should be after this video. So without any further waiting, let's get into it. Right guys, welcome to this video. Now before we go any further, please subscribe to our channel. We are posting regularly on YouTube and giving you the most up-to-date free advice on SMMA. We're also on Spotify for you to, and Apple Music, so you can listen in your own time whilst you're cleaning the house or on the bus or whatever. Okay, so please do us a favor and subscribe and follow. Let's get into this video. This is a really important one. It's a video that I've been wanting to drop for a while, and here it is. So what are the 3 hottest niches in SMMA that are worth going after in 2023? Niche number 1, okay, is very market specific and life specific right now. That is one of the biggest pain points people are having right now is heating and energy costs. Okay, therefore a very good niche to now target is insulation companies. Okay, there are companies in the US, the UK, Europe that will provide insulation for houses. Okay, so that means their energy bills will dramatically drop because you're using less energy to heat your house, okay? Therefore, the heat will stay in your property for longer. And not just that, in the summer, it will also stay cooler, okay? My office, which I'm not in at the minute, my office has got massive insulation. In the winter, it is beautifully warm because the heat doesn't escape. And in the summer, it's beautifully cool because it doesn't allow heat to drive into it and heat up like a greenhouse. So as a financial aspect and an opportunity within SMMA, I would definitely say that focus your attention on insulation companies. There's an abundance of them, and it's high ticket too. So to get a house insulated fully, it could be like £2,000, £3,000, £4,000. Not just that, there's also government funding for some of that. So I don't know the ins and outs, and you'd have to explore it. But some of these people get government funding. Also, there's payment schemes like 0% finance, like you would with buying a sofa. It's a very important niche. Go out and start talking to these business owners. Normally, you can actually get in touch with the decision maker themselves. Okay, go on Google and type in the name of an insulation company. Have a look at their reviews. See if there's a name that they've used. See if there's a mobile number on there. If there is, take action. I'm not going to teach you what you should then do. That's in different videos. And if you haven't heard about our outreach methods, there's so many videos about outreach and secrets that we give away for nothing. So go out and check them out. But yeah, a really good niche to focus on would be insulation, heating and energy insulation companies. Okay. The second one, again, it's very relevant to today's market in 2023, and that is aesthetics. Okay, people, it seems to me, even though there's a kind of a recession and we're going into a trickier time with mortgages, etc., it seems to me that people have always still got money to spend on themselves, whether it's teeth, whether it's a hair transplant, whether it's lip filler, whether it's Botox, whatever, or even a boob job. It seems to me that industry is relatively unchallenged financially. Therefore, you should be marketing those businesses. There's opportunities for you to get results with and get a good return on ad spend. There's opportunities for you to have a client long term because it's a good product, it's relevant, and people are buying it. Okay? If you're not focusing your energy on that, you should. Yes, the only issue you might have is the fact that you've got to be careful with your ad creatives. You've got to be careful about Meta policy or YouTube, Google policy. You don't want to break that shit, okay? You want to stick to the rules. No before and afters. I know you see them on Instagram, but you don't see them for very often because they often will get shut down and you'll lose ad account after ad account after ad account, and therefore you're actually losing parts of your business. So don't be doing any before and afters, and that's my personal advice to you, and it's completely free. Do not do it, regardless of what people say. But that industry is a very good one, and it gives you the opportunity to get results, like I've said, and it's kind of interesting and it's relevant, and it matches Instagram's aesthetics view and how that platform likes. It likes things that make people look better and feel better. So tap into it without a doubt. The third one I say is a good niche for this time of year. It's not necessary for the whole year, but this time of year, and I'm filming this in February, okay, and it will go out probably in March, I don't know, in the next few days, still relevant. But landscape gardening, people at this time of year want a new patio. They want artificial turf to sit outside in. They want their garden with grass on, or they don't want grass anymore. They want slabs. It's a very industry time of year niche, but this is the time of year you want to be tapping those businesses up and saying that over the next 3, 4, 5 months we can get traction on this and start to get people through the door and do an element of lead gen. Okay, it's a good industry to be in. Again, you can find the contact name of the actual individual who owns the business. You can get their mobile number. You can get reviews and feedback. Before you go into it, you'll know who these people are. And in some examples, you can actually even text the business owner without even having to put a phone call in. Okay, really, really worth doing. And I would say really that sums up the video. I know it's short and sweet, but they're 3. So just to summarize, we're looking at aesthetics particularly, you're looking at insulation companies and landscaping. If you focus your energy on those over the next 6 months and just hit them up all the time, you will be successful, you will win clients, and you will make money, and your business will be well and truly off the ground. Okay, not just that, you'll have testimonials from these people too that vouch for you and give you social proof that you can then take to other businesses and say, I've worked with this industry, check it out and look what I did for them. It will really help grow your business, grow you as a person on a personal development point of view. Okay, get stuck in now. If you're going to miss this opportunity, there'll be new things that come along and it's gone. But have a look at it. Take my advice. By all means, please hit the subscribe button. Please leave comments. If you don't agree with what I've said, leave a comment. If you agree, leave a comment. Interact with us. We will always reply to things that you've posted. But please like this video, subscribe, and if you're following us and listening to us on Apple Music, just give us a follow. We massively appreciate it. So with that in mind, please check out our other videos on the channel. Loads of free advice. And yeah, we will see you on the next video.